Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. In this video, we're going to have a look to how to trim the column names if they have any blank spaces. So for instance, in this demonstration, we have a data set in which we have three columns. Now, if we were to have a look at the column names, you'll see there are few columns which have a trailing blank space like this. One has a leading blank space and a trailing one, and another one with a trailing blank space. So we can change this column names individually just by clicking over here and removing the blank space like this. But what if your data set has several columns, let's say 40 or 50? It will take a lot of time for you to trim or clean all of these 50 columns. But instead of doing this, I'll show you a workaround that you can use just by using the graphical interface. So the first thing that you need to do is in the home tab, where you have an option of use first rows as headers, choose the option use headers as first row. So this will demote the header to the first row. So now you see the column names have all taken the spot of the first row. The next thing we need to do is go into transform tab and use the transpose option. So what this will do, it will all the rows will become columns and all the columns now will become rows. So in the first column itself, we'll see all the column names that we want to trim. After this, it's pretty easy. You just need to right click on the first column, go to the transform option and say trim. So now what it has done is that it has trimmed all the leading as well as the trailing blank spaces from your column names. Now later on, we just need to reverse all the previous steps. So we'll first of all transpose it back. All the rows now have taken values in a single column. Go to the home tab and select use first rows as headers. And now you see all of our column names are trimmed. They do not have a leading or trailing blank space. Now I'm pretty sure there is a method in which you can perform these changes in a single Power Query method. This is the workaround that I use. So that's all for this video. Do let me know what you thought about it in the comments. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.